how the fuel scarcity don't affect your activities for the marketplace. You increase transport, abi you delay transport, abi no transport, abi you increase cities. But let us know how this matter take affect the market people when they sell for all the different market.
Good morning, Rata.
Morning to you, sir. We not hear you. You say?
I said this is Nicholas.
Okay, Nicholas, talk to us sharply.
I'm calling from Benue State.
Oh, all the way from Benue State. Fire that.
Yes. This issue of fuel scarcity is just like now say they are just doing to suffer people.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
They are just doing to suffer people. Look at my uncle has this filling station.
Yeah.
As I'm talking to you now. So as this fuel something,
yeah.
My uncle now I'm working there, but my uncle now just come this morning and tell us that close this filling station. We close it.
Wow.
We close it. There is fuel. We close it because my uncle is selling the fuel and some people doesn't like it as he's selling the fuel.
Okay.
So and some people they will jerrycan come to buy the fuel. We say no, we cannot sell the fuel jerrycan.
Okay.
You are selling for vehicle something. It's no matter of selling fuel for you. If you have your generator, take your generator and come. We put fuel for you. But don't carry anything like jerrycan come to fill it station.
Okay, so see, all the way from Benue State, how this scarcity affect market things for that side?
The market now. Look at before we are selling 100 pieces of yam.
Yes.
Just 15,000.
Yes.
But this issue now, if we go now, 100 of yam is about 40-something thousand.
Are you serious?
Yes, because of this fuel.
Okay.
Okay. Before we say a bag of rice 20,000, now a bag of rice 28,000 naira.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So all these things is no good. Let the government do something about it.
Now, mommy miracle from Ejegun.
Fire down.
Ra.
Yes.
No be small thing, no.
Okay.
Since morning at the filling station.
Okay.
Even I never buy fuel till now.
Yeah.
All the whole vehicle just parked there. Both keke, both okada.
Yeah.
Both all the robbers were full there.
Okay.
Not that these people no gree sell fuel.
Hey, yeah.
One of the manager just go inside, go off the gen.
Not be say fuel no day.
No be say fuel no day. We dey buy am 162 before.
Yeah.
Now they come make am 165. Yeah. We see they buy am.
Yeah.
They just say small. The lady just go inside, go off the gen.
Okay, no.
As I talk to you now, my rubber see the filling station. I just leave and there come back.
Okay. So how it affect Bariga market?
People will be there, and they like enter their no shop now. We will be there with the same for Bariga.
Wow.
This is so I see the house.
Are you serious?
I will see come on. Not be saying because of we make we never come out.
Okay. Okay. All right.
The thing there, the get us the much no much for road because of we know this.
Okay.
So, thank you, sir.
Okay.
This rice matter for Oyinbo here, we
Yes.
buy 32,000.
For the rice, 32,000 naira.
Yes, sir.
For Oyinbo market.
Yes, like 7 pence, I be 8 pence, 9 days inside the bag.
How many kg be that one? 60.
I don't know.
Okay, but now like 7 pence. Now make up that bag.
Yes, sir.
Wow, 32,000 naira.
Yes, sir.
For Oyinbo market.
Yes, sir. Oyinbo market.
My God. Okay.
Yes, sir. My name is Happy. I'm calling from Yaba.
Wait, I want to. You don't say this don't cost already, eh?
Okay, yeah.
So this fuel called Adam.
The fuel come make things for market go up, Abi?
It can't go up again. Yes.
Give us example.
They can't use that joint. It can't go up again.
Give us example.
And they sell provision.
Okay.
All kinds of soap and they sell.
Okay.
But you see now we not see soap sef.
Wow.
They say what they want use work, they no see. No fuel to go buy them.
Okay.
They no supply again.
Yeah.
Soap where would they buy 2,000, 3,003? It's now 3,004, 3,005.
Wow.
You see, so they don't add even hypo, even provision.
Yeah.
No, not all of them.
Wow.
They just add money.
Wow.
Every day. Yesterday.
Yeah.
Look, at least by this I was supposed to get light. Light no con day.
Okay.
No fuel to buy.
Yeah.
Customers when they enter inside, when light they on, I think they go feel relaxed. We fit talk to them.
Yeah.
When heat they too much, they don't go feel stay.
Yeah, customers not go stay. True.
They don't go come outside.
Yeah.
So yesterday, for this situation, waiting for this railroad.
Yeah.
Now fight.
Yeah.
We no see fuel buy.
Yeah.
I said for 3 hours I get there.
Yeah.
Later I came back, they close. close. They say that they're not selling again.
Hey, yeah.
So this way they contribute to high price goods when they go up.
Yeah.
They make them go up well.
They go up.
So make
yeah.
our government make them help us to make them make things normalize for good.
All right, no, Wala, thank you.